better we know ourselves, the better we can lead, because we find that we are less reactive and we are more centered and composed as leaders, which is really helpful in times of crisis, as well as being able to think long term. There's a couple of different exercises that you can lean into to better understand who you are, where you've come from. The first one is the hero's journey. This is based on the work of Joseph Campbell, who's famously studied stories and fables and myths across all sorts of different cultures around the planet. And he found that there was an archetypal pattern, a common pattern of story that people really resonated with. And he called it the hero's journey. And essentially it was, hero gets called to adventure, resists the call, goes out, confronts many different challenges, develops new awareness, and comes back with new awakening. And I love this as a pattern in way of to look at how we have been on our own personal and leadership journeys. Where have we been called to step up? Where have we faced challenges? How have we learned from them or not learned from them? Why it was difficult? What is the meaning that we attach to that experience? I would also like to highlight there is also the heroine's journey. Whether you're a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. There is a male pattern and a female pattern, and we both have both going on. So the male hero's journey is all about humility. So it's about crisis and despair and overcoming that. The heroine's journey is a little bit different. It's about self-consciousness and developing a sense of power and empowerment. So one angle, it's humility. The other one is about empowerment. And we both have different lenses that we see with depending on where we're up to. So you might have a humility journey at one point in your life. You might have an empowerment journey at another.